I want to see how fast you get out of here. I want to see your movement.
She got me like 40 minutes ago.
Come on up. Come on up. Let's see if you know what you're doing. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Pop your head out of there. You gotta get your head out. Get your head out. There you go. Nice and slow. Now let me see you score from here. Come up underneath that arm or yank that chin hard. Don't cheat it. Don't cheat it. Good job.